Hi friends, we're talking about frogs. This story is called Being Frog. It's about an adventure of a real frog. Here's that frog in the water. A frog has favorites. This rock, this log, it's his daily job. Support the frog. A frog must hunt. It scans, it spies, it crawls, it lunges. It fails, but it retries. It cools in the shade beneath the flower. You have to really look for that one. It hides underwater to bath or shower. Do frogs like to take a bath? I don't know. It kicks and surfaces. His eyeballs gaze. Does it remember its tadpole days? Before it was a frog, it starts out as a tadpole. Here we go. First it's an egg, then a tadpole, then a two-legged tadpole, then a froglet, and then a frog. A tiny froglet climbs ashore. Now it's sun, a cave-like place. A frog calls with a glunk, glunk, glunk. It climbs a cliff, mossy steep. Moss is something that grows on rocks. It sits so still, then suddenly, what do you think is going to happen? It leaps. Shh, there it goes. Does it ponder? We don't know yet. Does it fly or trail? A snail so slow? What is it looking for? We don't know. A frog has a life on a lily pad. A frog is a being. Bye, frog. And we also have another story called Wide Mouth Frog. This one's kind of a silly story. This is a pop-up book, which means that some of the pages are going to come up and pop up like this one. I'm a wide-mouthed frog, and I eat flies. Can you see on his tongue there's a fly? Said the wide-mouthed frog, shouting out his long, sticky tongue. As he hopped along, he met a blue-feathered bird. I'm a wide-mouthed frog, and I eat flies, said the wide-mouthed frog. What do you eat, bird? I eat wiggly worms and slugs, replied the bird, snapping his pointed beak. Next, the wide-mouthed frog met a furry brown mouse. I'm a wide-mouthed frog, and I eat flies, said the wide-mouthed frog. What do you eat, mouse? I eat crunchy seeds and juicy berries, replied the mouse, wiggling his whiskers. The wide-mouthed frog was still catching flies when he saw a big green crocodile. Look at that, how long his snout is. I'm a wide-mouthed frog, and I eat flies, said the wide-mouthed frog. What do you eat, alligator? I eat delicious wide-mouthed frogs, replied the alligator, showing his sharp white teeth. What do you think the frog did? The wide-mouthed frog stopped catching flies and gulped. Then he puckered his lips and made his mouth as small as possible. Ooh, you don't see many of those around, do you? He said, and he leaped into the pond with a splash. He wasn't going to get eaten. Isn't that a funny story? What do you like to eat? Hi, friends.